Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, today I'm going to be testing out the new Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump. If you guys don't know already, Too Faced does have other versions of lip injection, the original and the extreme, which I've used before, but they just released a Maximum Plump. So I'm going to put this to the test and see if there's a difference between the extreme version and the Maximum Plump and how maximum the plump is going to be. So I'm going to put it to the test and see if this really works, what the difference is. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. But before we get into the video, please don't forget, subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, turn your post notifications on, add me on Instagram, add me on TikTok, and let's get into it. So on here it says, we push limits to the max to create a lip plumping formula so powerfully effective it's not for plumping rookies. You hear that? It's not for rookies, which I'm not a rookie, so we're good. You'll see and feel results instantly as the advanced volumizing formula dramatically hydrates, nourishes, and visibly plumps lips intensely, immediately, and over time. Okay. It also says on here that 98% of people said that this plumper left lips looking revolumized after 1 week of use. I'm gonna be honest, I don't believe that. I really don't. I don't believe that it's gonna leave my lips like plump or permanently plump. I don't know. I don't believe it. But if you guys have seen those results, please comment down below. But I just feel like that's just like a little gimmick. This also comes with it. It's just this pink paper. It just is warnings basically in every language. So this is what it looks like. The packaging is very similar to the other version as well. And the formula inside is more of like a baby pink with a holographic finish. And the holographic finish is like purple, blue, pink. So that's what it looks like. And then the extreme is clear, but it's a little dirty because I use it as a topper sometimes. But this one is, the extreme is clear and it has a holographic finish, the exact same holographic finish with like a bluish purplish, but you never see the color. So that's what it looks like. It says it's extra strength, instant, and long-term lip plumper. And then the other one says instant and long-term lip plumper. So the only difference is that this one just says extra strength and this one is just regular. So that's the difference with both so far. Both of them are $39. The original one is a little bit cheaper, but both of these are $39. And the Maximum Plump is being advertised as like extra strength in hydration and nourishing and plumping, whereas the Extreme doesn't mention anything about hydration or nourishing. It just mentions that it's a lip plumper. So definitely this one is advertised as more hydrating. But the interesting thing is when I'm looking at the ingredients on both of them, they both have mineral oil, avocado oil, jojoba seed oil, soybean oil. They both have the same oils. So I'm thinking that they're both the exact same in hydration. That's what I'm assuming, because when I use the Extreme one, it's very hydrating. I've never felt it was dry. But again, on the website, it says that this one is like extra strength and hydration and nourishment. So we're about to see. So the way I'm going to test this is on half of my lip, I'm going to try the Maximum Plump. And then on the other half, I'm going to do the Extreme so that we can compare and see if there's a difference. So I'm going to start off with right here. Key thing with a lip plumper is always to make sure you get the borders of your lip, because I feel like that's what makes it look more plump. So this is what it looks like when I first put it on, and it's only on this side. Already it's starting to burn. The way it feels, it's like little needles like poking your lips, like top and bottom. So you do feel the burning sensation, but personally it doesn't bother me. I kind of like it. Like I low-key like it. It doesn't bother me at all. But if you don't like that burning sensation on lip plumpers, this one you probably will not like because it is really strong. Like you feel it. Yeah, it's pretty strong. Like out of 10, I would give this a 10. It's very strong. I feel it all around my lip border and even like the inside. I just feel it everywhere. So it's definitely burning. So you can see on this side, my lips are starting to become very, very pink in comparison to how they are naturally. And that's, I think, simply from the blood rushing from like the lip plumper working. Your lips just naturally turn very, very pink, which I love. Anytime I've used the Extreme version, the older version, I've loved it because it also does the same thing. And I love that like your lips just turn naturally pink. It gives you like a nice like blush tone to your lip and it looks super natural. So I love that the Maximum Plump is doing the exact same thing. My lips just look a little bit more pink and you can just see the difference between my natural lip and this one. This is just like a little bit more like amplified to my lip color. So I like it so far. I'm gonna wait 10 minutes and then come back and show you guys what the difference is. So far, the burning's actually calming down. I really don't feel it right now. It feels more like a 4 out of 10. Not bad at all. So I'm finding that the burning was only strong for maybe like 2 minutes. Nothing too crazy, but We'll be right back to see the difference. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes and this is what it looks like. You can see that the right side definitely is a little bit more plump than my natural side right here. You can just see it in like the borders, and again, it's still really, really blush tone, which I like. The burning sensation is completely gone. So now I'm gonna try the regular extreme one that I used to use before, and I'm gonna use this on the other side. So they're both on, and so far I'm not feeling any burning from the extreme yet. I'm gonna wear it for 10 minutes and come back and show you guys what the progress is, and we can compare both of them. So I'll be right back. So it's been 10 minutes and the results are in. This is what it looks like. Okay, so here are my thoughts. I feel like the lip plump is identical between the maximum plump and the extreme. I'm not seeing a difference at all. They both look the exact same. Do the lip plumpers work? Yes, they do. They give me a plump, which I love. I'm happy with the results, but I'm not seeing a difference. That's the thing. I was expecting the maximum plump to give me like a bigger plump, for it to be like out of this world kind of thing. And I'm not seeing it. Like, I feel like it looks identical on both sides. The thing that throws me off is that it says extra strength. That's what made me think like extra strength, it's gonna be even stronger, it's gonna be even bigger. That's what I was thinking, but it's not. As for the color, they're both clear, which is nice. They're both clear, very comfortable, very hydrating. They're not sticky. They literally feel like oils, both of them. So they both feel the exact same. Both have the exact same finish. They both wear the exact same. So again, identical. As for like the blush tone, they both bring out like a blush tone color in your lip, which is really beautiful. I love it. And both of them did it the exact same. So again, identical. The only thing I'll say that I noticed the difference is that this one has a stronger sensation with like the tingliness in your lip, and it was right away as soon as I put it on. In comparison to the extreme, it wasn't right away. It was maybe like a minute in, and the sensation, the tingliness wasn't as strong as this one. So that's the only difference I'm noticing. So I'm thinking that the only difference is going to be the sensation, that this one feels a little bit stronger, and that this one might last on your lips a little bit longer. Like the plump will last longer than this one. That's the only thing, because I actually checked in with one of my girls that works for Too Faced, and she was telling me that it's meant to like last a little bit longer. So that's what I think is the only difference here. Overall, they're both great. Both give the exact same result. So do I think you need to go out and purchase this and replace your extreme or replace the original one? No, I don't, because the results are the exact same. That is the end of my video. Please comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys have your own favorite lip plumpers? Because I am always open to lip plumpers, because I don't know about you guys, but I'm scared to get my lips done. I've always been scared. So I love lip plumpers. They're like my go-to thing. So let me know in the comments down below, which ones do you like? What are your thoughts on these? And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.